The easiest way to start losing weight is to lower your calories down to 1,200 if you're a woman in menopause. And I know that is not typical YouTube advice that you hear, but honestly, I don't see women coming in our clinic that can really have consistent weight loss if they're not dropping their calories that low. But the challenge when you drop your calories that low is sticking to it. So how you structure your plan is really important, and that's what I'm going to go over today. The main macro is like the magic macro, protein. We also have to get enough fiber in the plan, and if you can structure enough protein and fiber in your plan throughout your day, you actually can stick to it. So I'm going to go over my 7-day starter plan today, and you can also download that whole plan in the description below. So let's get started. In menopause, it's even more important to structure your food correctly because a plan low in protein, low in fat, and low in everything is when your body really starts to fight back. Your estrogen is dropping, your metabolism has shifted, your body is already under stress, and starving it of protein and nutrition just makes it hold on tighter. Smart Servings plan is different. It is built on 4 food categories. First, you start by putting protein on your plate. Each protein serving on the food list averages 150 calories and about 20 grams of protein. Some of these choices are chicken, eggs, Greek yogurt, fish, protein shakes. This is the foundation of every single meal. Protein keeps you full, protects your muscles, and helps your body work with you in menopause and not against you. Next, fill your plate with vegetables. At 25 calories per serving, it's high volume, tons of nutrients for very little calorie expense. The volume from the veggies is what makes feeling genuinely full possible on 1,200 calories per day. Then add in some fat. At 100 calories per serving, it's not the enemy, but it does have to be measured. Avocado oil, olive oil, a little cheese. Fats keep your meals satisfying and support our struggling hormonal health. And whole carbs are good too. I find a lower carb diet works best. Most of us, as we get older, we do not process carbs as well as we used to. We have far more dramatic shifts in hormones that control our blood sugar. But at only 80 calories per serving, whole food carbs keep meals enjoyable. Berries, oats, a small amount of rice. These are just a few of the options. Even processed carbs like cookies are not off limit. My plan doesn't require you to be perfect, but the first 1 or 2 weeks, you will have much better results if you limit your food choices to the whole foods list. And let me walk you through a real day, and this is straight from my 7-day reset plan. And it comes out to about 1,280 calories per day. So breakfast, you're going to start with Greek yogurt or cottage cheese, a cup of berries. That's 1 protein, 1 carb, about 230 calories. Simple. Mid-morning, 2 eggs or a protein shake. That's 1 protein serving, 150 calories. Lunch, 2 cups of veggies, spinach, bell peppers, whatever you have. Topped with 3 ounces of chicken or fish, a little bit of feta, and some low-calorie dressing. So that's 1 protein, 1 fat, 2 veg, about 300 calories. Mid-afternoon, try a bag of protein chips. Easy and tasty. 1 protein. Dinner, that's usually simple. 2 cups of roasted veg, 6 ounces of cooked meat or fish, tablespoon of butter or oil. That works out to about 450 calories. And for dessert, if you need it, try some sugar-free Jell-O. And then after dinner, the kitchen is closed. These next 3 guidelines will make all of this actually stick, especially if you're navigating menopause. First, eat every 3 hours. Don't wait until you're starving. Hunger is where every plan falls apart. Stay ahead of it. 2, shut the kitchen after dinner. Late night eating is where most plans die. Number 3, keep it simple. Pick 1 or 2 proteins and rotate them through the week. Pre-wash your vegetables on Sunday night. Eat the same breakfast every day. You don't need a variety at 7 a.m. in the morning. Decision fatigue is real, and every unnecessary food decision drains your energy that you need for other stuff. Okay, so whether you quit your plan or keep going depends on understanding this. At some point in the week, maybe even your first day, your brain is going to say things like, this is too restrictive. Maybe I should try something else. Or once it gets to the evening, one little treat won't hurt. I'll start fresh tomorrow. This is completely normal, not a sign you're failing or that your plan is wrong. It's just your brain doing what brains do, looking for familiar, comfortable, and automatic. Your job isn't to never have those thoughts. Your job is just to stop obeying every thought that you have. Because here's what I know after losing 60 pounds and keeping it off. Weight loss doesn't require perfection. It doesn't require a detox, a magic supplement, and you definitely don't have to try something new every Monday. It requires that you mainly eat whole foods, that you prioritize protein, and that you stay in a consistent calorie deficit. And if you slip up at some point in the week, one meal, one evening, that doesn't erase your progress. It's just one meal. Keep going. The full 7-day reset is linked right below. It's free. It includes a complete meal plan, the food list, the mindset section. Download it, follow it for 7 days, and then let me know how it went.